given an array in nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. And we have these examples to explain it. So in this range from 0 to 9, the missing number is 8. And in this case, the missing number, probably to 12, is 4, and so on. Now, for the solution, we use a cyclic sort pattern. And this is what it's going to look like. So we get past these numbers, right? And just from inspecting this visually, you can tell that 2 is missing. So we're going to loop through the array and check each index, swap them into the right position. Like that. And then check again and see that this is missing. And this is what it looks like in code. So pass in a number, get the length, initialize our cursor, and then loop through the entire length of the array like so. Get the value at that current index. Then check, does this belong in the range? So is it less than the num's length, right? And the other thing to check is if it's at the wrong index, like you see here. So if it belongs in the range and it's at the wrong index, then perform the swap, right? Which is common to the cyclic sort pattern. Otherwise, right? Otherwise, move the cursor to the next thing. And basically that's what's going on here, right? Imagine this is our cursor, right? It starts out here. So it checks if it belongs, it is in the range. And if it's at the wrong index, which is in this case it is, so it swaps it out, right? That's what happens. Then here, this is going to return false here because it's not at the wrong index. 1 is at the right place. Then here, it belongs, but it's at the wrong place. So it's going to swap it out with 4. Put it in its right index, as you can see here. And then we keep going till we reach the end of the list. And then when we're done looking through the list, we come over here where we find the missing number. So we loop again, right? But this time, if the number isn't equal to what we see there, then we return that, right? That's the we return the index actually, because that index is the missing number, right? Otherwise, if everything is present, right, we just return the length of the list. That's it. So yeah, that's all for this problem, really. And if you can, as you can probably tell, it's O of n algorithm because we loop through once, and then it's O of 1 for space because everything happens in place. And that's all for the find the missing number problem. Cheers.